everybody, how are you? I hope you're doing great today. It's a very fast line twisting design, one of the fastest designs, the most simple designs that I made, and it's on my board all these years. I've been twisting balloons over 10 years, and it's there. What I'm talking about, the awesome pirate sword, the one balloon sword. So there's many different ways, and if you are just starting, there's easy ways to make a sword. But I like the idea to add, and I'm already used to. I practice. I'm fast making this. You will see. Why yellow? Because this is the Pikachu sword, which is not just, what is the pirate sword, but with a Pikachu face that is very easy to make. So I'm gonna share with you this design, and I hope you like it because it was a hit and an event I did that it was a downtown appreciation day in my town, downtown. There, lots of people. So I was making fast designs. This one, it was one of my menu. I'm very popular for boys especially. It's to blow your balloon for the sword approximately all the way. You just leave some air out, so then it's gonna be at least 2 fingers there or something like this. Okay? Look. Then you're gonna tie it. And they will say, well, can I have 2 balloons? And I say, no, only 1 per kid, because there's lots of kids, a long line. And I say, oh, well, can I have Pikachu and the sword? I said, no, but I can make you a Pikachu sword. And that's how I came this idea. The kids love it. A bubble. Twist. And look, this is the basic sword. I always love this bubble. It's already part of my routine. When I make the sword, I love things. So with practice, if you keep these routines, these techniques, and you keep practicing just to be faster, it's a very cool way. That's how what I recommend you. Sometimes you have a design, you see, this is fast. Practice it, so you can be as fast as possible you can be. You have to kind of master one design simple. And this is one of the first ones. I know you learn probably with different type of swords until you get to a level that this is easy, this is basic, but it's still above the other ones that are more simple. So you decide what is that level that you're gonna say, this is the level I like when I want to make simple, easy, and fast. So you have to kind of figure out that. But this is the level I think this is great. Fast, easy, and it looks awesome. So you have all this like this. What I do here is bubbles. One, like a 2-finger bubble, like a couple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I'm gonna make a 6th one, and I'm gonna make a pinch twist to the 6th one. Pinch twist. The rest is gonna be passing through the loop that I made. That is approximately 4 or 5 finger loop. Pass it through, pull, and you have this awesome cool sword. You can always grab this bubble, hide them if you want, but we already locked them, so you have something like this. Only because it's yellow, and this is what I did, and they love it. After this design I made, the kids behind, 3 at least of the kids, they were waiting in the line, they wanted the same thing. So let's try. I made first, for example, and remember, it's a representation, so this is what I did. These are not eyes, those are the tip of the ears. And that's how I represent it. Then I make finally here in this side eyes. You can make it bigger. Then I make this Pikachu face. Look at that. Save it in picture, screenshot, very easy. Now we will need from here just red and white. So I had to, you see, I came from the party and I haven't put things back. I know, it's been a busy days after I came from the convention. I have events that same day, next day, and on Sunday. So it's been busy, but I can complain because I'm very, very fortunate to have events. So you're gonna need red and white. This is also can help you when you do this, the moment of Sharpie, think about your fingers are resting from the twisting part, especially when you are doing a lot of, kids. So now you just make a circle here. Those are going to be the cheeks. You can always make this better, I'm sure, but really with practice, this isn't going to take you that much. It's just very fast Sharpie time. Look, I'm showing you exactly the way I made it. In my line twisting, it's just while I explain you, I take a little bit of my time, and then I'm gonna pass this around and make a center. So compare there. The difference maybe with the light is not that obvious, but it's just my white Sharpie. It's gonna help to give some highlights. You know, so this is what I did at the event. They love it. They were like, oh, so cute. And the kids, they are happy to have a Pikachu sword. Now, what else you can make? Use your creativity. Think about, cute, fast designs. It can be Pikachu. What other thing is cute, easy? You can make an emoji. Brown, it can be a poop. You can put a poop. If you don't think you're so good with the Sharpie time, look, I'm not that good, but with practice, you can have this made, I'm sure. So you can always add a sticker, something very simple with some bling. That's what I learned, bling, bling, jam. You're gonna add some, something there like stickers. Yeah, like a line here, stickers, why not? So this is the Pikachu sword. I hope you like it. I hope you like this idea. It's a line twisting, fast idea. And I think it can be for different themes. But the Pikachu was very easy because it's still popular. It's still popular. It's still my menu. So I think it's gonna be a good idea for you to try it. Ninja Turtles. I've seen what is these friends, the brothers. They're really cool. These brothers, they have a YouTube channel, and they make that simple sword with a bandana. It can be here for the Ninja Turtles idea. So this for me was kind of like one balloon design, some Sharpie time. Easy peasy. I hope you like it. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget on the description of all my videos, I have their ideas how to collaborate with this channel, because this channel, it's very happy presented to you. I'm very happy and very proud to be constant, and sharing lots of videos, lots of cool designs. Like, oh wow, when I go back and see designs that I share with you, it's like, wow. But I'm always, request if you can collaborate with the channel, it will be very well appreciated. Many different ways. You can send balloons. My address is on the description of all my videos. You can send anything to decorate the background. You can always donate on my Venmo or PayPal account. Anything is very well appreciated. Now, I want to also talk about line twisting, and what is coming is the fall festivals. So I have my board. Now, the thing is, I will do in this coming video. It's a lot of videos. Yeah, I cannot stop. I have a lot of ideas because every time I go to events, my brain is refreshed and thinking, look at this way how to make this. Sometimes you have to show up at the moment, feel the moment to be with kids, around kids, because they give you lots of ideas. And if you ever have the moment, the chance to share videos for every other people here, that we're here to enjoy YouTube, So if you can make a video, that will be awesome. We all will enjoy it. I want to also shout out and kind of like invite you all to visit a very cool YouTube channel. It's a balloon twister that have 10 times more experience than me. So I know you can learn a lot, especially because he's so good making right now the basic designs, very easy designs. You're gonna love it. How to make, like designs that he already have Snoopy, Witch, and I know he is unstoppable. He's now making videos and videos. So I recommend you go subscribe to Klein. That's his name. He is the wizard, the balloon wizard. He has lots of experience, and that YouTube channel is old. It's like 10 years old, but he haven't really posted much, and he decided, why not, let's start it. So go enjoy it, because he's posting already new like 5 tutorials or more that you can enjoy. Plus he is gonna also share in his channel tips how to start your business, how to keep your business being a balloon twister and entertainer, in different things. So if you're a face painter, enjoy it to that channel, because it's not going to be just balloon tutorials. It's going to be also some videos about sharing how to tips for your business as an entertainer. Okie dokie. And if you don't know who is Klein, he is the brain, the creator of Las Vegas Bling Bling Jam. So also being in touch with him is gonna also help you to have more information about what is Las Vegas Bling Bling Jam. So go ahead, I'm gonna leave the link in this video, and it's there, all those pictures all the time, because I want you to show him some love, welcome him to the YouTube place, and enjoy his channel, his tutorials. It's all free. He's happy to share it with all of you. Have a wonderful day. See you in the next video. Bye bye.